Hello everybody and welcome to my Informatica Support TV video, which shows the installation of the Media Manager REST interface. Well, the REST interface is used also for the integration for the Supplier Portal, so there's often a question how to install and how to handle. This video will show you how to install and a short test. Well, important is that the Apache web server, or the mumweb called, is already installed. So, well, let's go on with the installation. Here's my environment, which I've already used for the web installation. So we should have here the Apache web server installed. And here we have the installation files. So if you open the main DVD, you will find the REST services. Just open the application and you will find a REST war. So the easiest thing with the REST war is just copy it, move it to your Tomcat folder, move it to the web apps, and just paste it. So, but this is not the complete installation. So the REST war will be initialized if you start up your Tomcat the first time. So what we do now, I'm running the CMD. So the Tomcat will be launched. And we should see that the REST will now be unzipped. So just give them a second just to get up. So while I close it again, because we now have to do the configuration. Let's open the REST folder. Let's go to webinf. Let's go to classes, metainf, spring, and you will see two files: HMM database properties and the HMS inbox properties. Both files are used for the integration and also important for the Supplier Portal. So if you open the file now, you see a D number. The D number is a basic customer number you want to use. So the question could be, where could I find my customer number? It's very easy. We'll go into the Media Manager. We call the administration. Yes, run it. Let's log in. Let's go to personal clients and we want to use the client number. So if we hit search, we will find it, the internal number which is needed right in the back. So in our case, we will use the interface user, which is D12001. So let's get back to the editor. So this is wrong, D12001. So you see, this is a number from the back. Let's save it. This was the first file. So the database properties. Well, if you already watched my last video of the installation of the web interface, it's just the same thing here. You want to use MS SQL. So let's bring it on here. So if you want to make it much easier for you, you might open the configuration you already done for the web interface. So Tomcat, Web Apps, Opus, Base GFK. Just let's also open in an editor, so you will see here a lot of more details which is also needed here. So what I want to do now is we will change it here. As one. So this time it works. And the database name, which we already have seen in the other log. This is Opus DB805. So, the user. Well, it is okay. We can use now the Opus user again. And the password was already used in the other configuration. So, let's save it. So, that is the only configuration we have to do here. So, next step is, let's start it. We also need to check for the rest more. So, what we do now, let's get back here. The function check. Well, if you open your Supplier Portal configuration properties, you will find that link here. EMM server 8080 rest volumes. So this is an easy check how we can take a look if it's working or not. So let's open the browser. Just like the same as here, but not Opus. We've seen rest, and we called it volumes. So if you get this feedback here, it shows you the buffer volume path, the service is correctly configured. If this is not responding, then your Supplier Portal will not work because it didn't know where to upload the data. So if this here is shown, we have done everything just correct. So you see, it was easy installation, a quick installation, and a quick test for it. So you see, now you can also link it into the Supplier Portal. Some more help can be found in the knowledge base of the following articles: 485084 and 364875. Well, thank you for watching my video. If there's any feedback you want to give, you can write a mail or just put it on Twitter. Thank you for watching my video.